Imagine you run a small grocery store in the UAE and have these kind of items for sale. You shop regularly, but the prices are in fills or in decimals, making it very tough to keep track of. You can't track every day the same prices with the decimals. As a result, you like to set the prices either in 50 fills like 12.50 or 0 fills means 12 dirham only. So to do that, I will use floor function. Write this formula is equal to floor start bracket, select your price, add comma, put 0.50 to fix it from 12.60 to 12.50. Floor function will round down your value to the nearest multiple, and keep in mind that it can't round up your value. Now if you want your price set to 12, then write 1 instead of 0.50. It will remove decimals or fraction and will give you the whole number.